Alright, our little walk. I want to go down by this small river. It's a bit misty this morning and the sun's starting to come up. I might be a bit too early actually. I was hoping, I've got my camera to take some photographs. If it was misty and sun rising it might be nice, but it could be a wasted walk. We won't know until we get there. It's only a small river, but you never know. There might be a shot to be had. There it is, flowing quite well. You can see how misty it is. Over there, they're going to make an industrial estate, apparently. Quite a nice little shot. I don't suppose it would get much sun anyway, to be honest. Looking at the growth on the trees now. I'll get the camera out and we'll have a shot. 1, 2. Lighten it up a little bit. There's all wild garlic here, and it smells quite nice. When I came down the Team Valley on the motorbike the other day, it was really smelling strong. As the river flows. Well, last year there were some trees that came down along here and you had to clamber over them to get through, so I don't know if it's going to be like that again. I like those big rocks there. Let's go this way. Right. Just turn you on the side to take a photo. Oh, sun's coming through now. Look at the ferns. And cobweb. Zoom in. Big cobweb hanging over the water. washing away here a bit. Dodgy. Dodgy for old folks. There's Toby the cat. Say hello, Toby. Oh. Well, I've just returned back from doing my little film down by the river. Had a nice cup of barley cup and some alpen for breakfast. And the sky has cleared and the sun has come out, burnt off the mist that was down the river. And now we've got this lot going on. Chemtrailers. There they go. There's already been 3 or 4 across and they're fading away now. Now, I don't know if people know it or not, but they're trying to kill us off. And this is one of the ways they're doing it. In fact, now they're so blatant with it, they're going to try and pass a bill in Parliament to say that they want to experimentally spray the sky to stop the sun's rays coming through. Can you believe this stuff? They're trying to kill us and make the planet atmosphere more acid so that the aliens are it will suit the aliens that want to inhabit this planet. So this is what's going on. Look at it up there. This will block out the sun in a minute. So be aware. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video down by the river on that somber note. Bye for now.